Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to use a VPN to change location on your laptop. To start, you need a reliable VPN. I recommend NordVPN because it has a large network of servers, high speeds, and great security features. Click the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price. Download the application for your operating system, whether it's Windows or macOS. After downloading, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. When the installation is complete, launch NordVPN and log in using your credentials. Now let's change your location. In the NordVPN interface, you'll see a map with pins representing server locations across the globe. Alternatively, you can use the list view on the left side to search for a specific country. Let's say you want to access content available only in the UK. Scroll through the list or search for the UK, then click Connect. NordVPN will automatically connect you to the best server available in that region. To verify that your location has changed, open your browser and search for What's My IP? You'll see your current IP address and location. If the VPN is working properly, it will show the location you selected, not your actual one. NordVPN also has a dedicated web page to check your IP, which you can access for confirmation. If you experience issues, try switching to a different server in the same region. For example, if the UK server is slow or not working, you can disconnect and select another UK server. Also, make sure there are no IP leaks by using a leak detection tool. NordVPN's app usually protects against leaks, but it's a good idea to check. In some cases, you may want to use NordVPN's browser extension as a temporary solution. This is helpful if you only need to change your location within your browser and not across your entire system. Install the extension from the NordVPN website or your browser's extension store, log in, and connect to the location you need. If you still face any problems, reach out to NordVPN's customer support for help. Their team can assist with troubleshooting and ensuring your connection works as expected. Keep in mind that free VPN providers often have limited server options, slower speeds, and less reliable connections. That's why I recommend premium providers like NordVPN. Since NordVPN has a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can try it risk-free. Sign up, use it, and if you're not satisfied, you can request a full refund before the 30 days are up. Click the link in the description to get started right away.